Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue exercise 16.4, question number 6. The chapter name is surface area and volume. In question number 6, we have two pipes. One is the smaller one whose radius is 2 cm. We will consider it as a small r. Its length is 1 meter and the water flown in 1 second is the volume of this cylinder. Similarly, other cylinder has the radius 4 cm. We will consider it capital R and its height is same as this one. So this pipe contains the volume of water that flows in 1 second, and we have to find the ratio between the volumes of these two pipes. It is pi r square h. This is the smaller volume, and pi r square h, this is the larger volume. Because pi is the same, so we'll cut it. Small r means 2. So 2 into 2, and height is 100 centimeter. And again for this, capital R is 4 into 4 and h is 100. So 100 is also cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is 1 upon 4, and the answer is 1:4. In question number 7, we have the radius 1.4 meter and the curved surface area of cylinder is given to us 17.6 meters square, and we have to find the volume of this cylinder. Okay, so first we will find the value of h. So the formula for CSA is 2 pi RH. 2, this is pi, r is 1.4 and h is not known to us now. 7 1 ja 7, 2 ja 14. So 2 into 22 is 44 and 44 2 ja is 88. It is 8.8 into h is equal to 17.6. h is equal to 17.6 upon 8.8. To remove this decimal, we will multiply it by 10 by 10 and we get 176 divided by 8, and 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 44 1s are 44 2s are. So the height is 2 meter. Now volume of cylinder, its formula is pi r square h. This is pi, r is 1.4 2 times and h is 2. So 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 14 and 22 2 ja is 44 with the decimal between them, and 14 2 ja is 28 with a decimal between them, and on multiplying these two, 4.4 into 2.8, you get 12.32 meter cube. Next question is number 8. In this question, we have been given two cylindrical figures. Okay, first is the jar whose radius is given 2 centimeters and its height is given 90 centimeter. And other is the bottle. Bottle is a smaller one. Its radius is given 5 centimeter and its height is given 10 centimeter. We have to find how many small bottles of this dimension can be filled from this jar. Okay, from this jar. For that we have to find the value of number of bottles. So number of bottles. So as I have told you, the larger volume is in the numerator. So we'll write here volume of jar divided by volume of bottle. The formula is pi r square h for both of them. Because jar is the larger one, so we'll put here capital R and capital H. And bottle is smaller one, so small r is small h. Pi is constant, so we'll cut it. And capital R square means 20 into 20, and capital H means 90. And small r is of bottle, that is 5 into 5, and small h is 10. So 5 ones are 5 fours are 5 ones are 5 fours are 0 0 cancelled. So 4 4 is 16, 16 9 ja 144 bottles. So 144 bottles can be filled from this jar having this dimension. In question number 9, we have two cylinders. First cylinder has the radius r. Second cylinder also having the radius r, but its height is little larger. Its radius is also same. Its height is given in the ratio 2x and its 3x, that is 2:3. Okay, so we'll consider here h1 equals to 2x and its height will be taken as h2, that is 3x, and we have to find the ratio between the volumes of these two cylinders. The formula is pi r square h. Because the pi is same and the radius value is also same in this part, and height, its height is 2x. We'll put here 2x, and h2 is 3x. We'll put here 3x. X is same, so 2 upon 3, its answer is 2:3. In second part of question number 9, we have two cylinders. Its height is h. Its radius is 2x, and second one is having the same height, but its radius is little larger, that is 3x. This time the height is same. So R1, first radius is 2x, and for this R2, the radius is 3x. Now this time we have to find the volume, the ratio between the volumes of these two cylinders. The formula is same, pi r square h, and again pi r square h. This is R1, this is R2, means radius 1, radius 2. The value of pi are same always. In this case, the height is also same, so we'll cancel the h1, h2. Okay. Now R1 is 2x with a square. Okay, when we have square here, we will square the radius also. Then R2 square means 3x square, 3x 2 times. So x is cancelled, x is cancelled. So 2 2 is 4 and 3 3 is 9, and the answer is 4:9. In question number 10, it is said that height is twice the radius. So its h is equal to 2r. Volume of cylinder is given to us. (2156 meter cube), and we have to find the radius and the value of height. So the formula for volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is pi. R square means R square, because the value of R is not given, but we can consider h as 2r. So we'll replace this h with 2r. Now r square into 2r gives you 2r cube. Now we will be left here with r cube only, and 2156. This 22 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 22. And this 2 becomes 1 upon 2. Now we are going to cancel it by 2 first. 2 11s are, 2 10s are 20, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. By 11 now, 11 1s are, 11 4s are 44, 11 9s are 99. So this cube will become cube root on the other side, and on this side we have 49 into 7. Product of 49 and 7 is 343, and its cube root is 7. So the value of radius is 7 meter, and the value of h, that is height, is 2r. So 2 into 7 gives you 14 meter. So this is the answer. Thank you.